Hello, I'm Dr. Kevin D. Barnes of the Abyssinian Baptist Church located in Oakland, California, and also Vallejo, California. Listen, I am excited about just coming to share with you some of the things that God has placed upon my heart about parenting. Well, I'm an author of 3 books, How to Survive and Thrive in Times Like These, and also Successfully Raising Grandchildren. And the book that I really want to talk to you about is Successfully Raising Young Black Men. That's right. This book is not only for us to raise young black men, but it's also to raise any of your children. Listen, I want to share something with you. When we look at it, my sons never ever been in any trouble. I never had to go to court with them. I never had to hire a lawyer or anything. And so God gave me some principles, and these are the principles that I want to share with you.